What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Wealth Giant Academy with your host, Enoch the Wealth Giant. Before I start this video off, I just want to say I'm not your financial advisor. This particular channel is strictly for edutainment. That's education and entertainment, but we put education first here. Listen, I know y'all been paying attention with what's been going on with AMC, and it's been a circus. It's been a fun circus. It's been a spectacle to watch and to witness. It's basically another mirror of what happened with GameStop. The retail investors, which is us, are basically getting tired of how these hedge fund guys been bullying us around for years, for the last 100 years, as a matter of fact. Um, but I haven't been advocating for y'all to actually buy AMC. I did buy some AMC a while back when it was like $8 and something. Then I sold all my shares for like, I think, $12, $13. So I made a profit and got out because it started getting kind of shaky. Then it started staggering and going sideways, and then it started staggering. But now, all of a sudden, it shot back up because I don't really think the squeeze has really started, but it's about to start. And I don't know, man. It looked like the retail investor might win on this one too. But be careful. If you still have AMC, then shout out to you. But if you don't, I think it's too late to buy in now. Don't try to buy in now because it's like $32 of change. I don't think it'll be bright for you to buy in now to try to run it up. But I mean, if you was already in and you riding up now, just keep riding up. Just keep a watch on it. Make sure you secure your gains no matter what. Or just lose all your gains. So that is basically the main thing, and of course, crypto. Um, Bitcoin, I want to tell y'all again, like I told y'all last week, this is the perfect time to buy Bitcoin. I'm not advocating for you to get Dogecoin again, but Bitcoin, which is my coins I'm invested in, ADA or Cardano, Ethereum, VeChain, and there's a few more other coins that I'm going to be giving y'all that I think y'all should invest in, put your money in, and do your research on. But definitely, this is the time. Bitcoin is underway under $40,000 now. But listen to me clearly. Look straight in the screen. Look in my eye. I'm telling y'all, crypto ain't going nowhere. And if you got Coinbase, if you have like me, I have Coinbase. I have over 50 shares of Coinbase at an average price of like 270. So I was buying the dip, and I'm glad I did because Coinbase is going to eventually shoot back up to probably around $400 or $500. It ain't going nowhere. It's crypto. It ain't like it's just finna go out the door. It's not. It's just this inflation thing, and the market's kind of trying to get back out of this bearish mode that's been in for several months. And it seems like it's trying to point back bullish, but not quite yet. We're not quite yet there. But like I said, the main name of this game when we talk about the stock market is patience. But listen, I want to just tell y'all, so I'm going to give y'all some stats about the stock market. And why these hedge fund guys been bullying us so many years, and I'm happy that we're starting to we're starting to actually stand up against it. Need some water. Um, let me give it to you like this in a visual, and I'm sure everybody remember this in school. You remember the math, the pie graph. The pie, right? The market is made up, and when we look at this pie chart, right? The market is made up of 75% basically of these hedge fund guys, which are the billionaires who don't care nothing about me and you, who think our money, or they call our money dumb money. And the other 25% is made up of retail investors, us, who the 75% consider to be dumb. So in other words, when the stocks go up, that's when we lose on that particular end because they try to squeeze it to make you sell all your stocks. They'll squeeze it so these stocks will go down because they got billions of dollars they can do this. These hedge fund guys got billions of dollars, not millions, but billions. A lot of them have billions. So they got the money to try to squeeze you. And when they squeeze you, the average retail investor who really don't understand the market and become nervous, they sell their stocks. And when they sell these stocks, all these hedge fund guys come right back behind you and buy all of them up at a low price, what they call the dip. So this has been the game, and this is the manipulation, and this is how it works. This is just the way it goes. They don't care nothing about you or me. People lose their jobs behind how these hedge fund guys play the game. People lose companies, family, mom, pop businesses. These billionaire companies don't care nothing about no mom and pop businesses. They don't care nothing about you losing your generational wealth or something that you built, that your great great grandfather built. They don't care. They squeeze you out. They do takeovers. That's how the game is played. These people are straight raw. They're assassins. They don't care. That's why you, as the retail investor, has to align yourself with people who know what they're doing. You have to do your own due diligence and get with a community of investors who know what they're doing. Because there's a lot of, I forgot to give you this other stat. The 75%, like I say, which are the hedge funds or the institutions, the billionaires, and the 25% of the retail investors. But let me give you another stat about the 25% of the retail investors. Over 80% of the 25% of retail investors are millionaires. So that ought to tell you something. This is a game where you can get paid, but this is not a get rich quick scheme. The stock market is not a get rich overnight type scheme. If you're thinking that, then you're going to lose, and this is not the place for you. You have to develop patience. You have to develop strategies. You always got to have exit strategies. And this is one of the main reasons why I didn't advocate for, I missed GameStop. I actually missed that. I missed out on that because it was so fast when Reddit and all of them were doing that. I actually missed out on that. I didn't miss out on Dogecoin or crypto. I'm still doing good with crypto. But AMC, I made some money off AMC, but I wouldn't advocate that on my particular channel because it's just not a safe net behind AMC. Because actually, the stock where it's at now, especially now at over $32 some change, is overvalued. And matter of fact, let me show y'all this, man. It's overvalued. So y'all see, it's Yahoo Finance, 3204 after hours. I mean, that's a lot, man. That's that for those who actually held on to this, y'all don't got paid, especially those who had a lot of shares in this company. But right here, right now, this particular stock, AMC, is overvalued. So I wouldn't tell my people to buy this. There's no way, because I'm not here to. I don't want to see y'all lose money. I don't want to see any of my people that follow me, to follow my advice, whether it's real estate or whether it's stocks or whether it's option trading or swing trading. I don't want to see nobody lose money. I want to see you gain money. So before I tell you to just jump out there in the fire, I'll do it myself. I won't tell y'all to do it. But it's just something that I hope y'all make some money off of. But I just wouldn't tell everybody to jump into this. Like I say, man, this is a thing that's just not. It's not really something that has a particular thesis behind it. So I wouldn't. It's just something that's going that the people are looking to as a way to make money, and I'm down with that movement. So like I say, for those of you who are still in AMC, man, I hope y'all get paid. Hope y'all can pay the mortgages off, buy you that boat you wanted, that Lamborghini, whatever you wanted, because it's our time to get this money now. And like I say, these billionaires, what we call these suits, these hedge funds, they've been manipulating this market for way too long. They've been getting all the money, trying to shut us out. And now we're speaking up. This is a new age, a new investor age, a new mindset. And I'm glad it's going down like that. So, like I said, man, I'm going to make a video tomorrow on that. We're going to see how this is going to turn out for Wednesday morning. But y'all be ready, man. If you got some extra money on the side, and let me say this too. If you don't have the money to invest, not only in AMC or just any stocks, don't go borrow no money to invest in the stock market. Don't go selling nothing. Make sure you got something that you can lose. You know what I mean? This is not a gamble, but just make sure you got something that you can afford to invest in. Don't go crazy, trying to put your mortgage money up or your rent money up for stocks. Don't do that. But use your job, as I always say, use your job, invest what you can invest, but take care of yourself, of course. So like I said, man, shout out to y'all who hold on to AMC, who've been getting paid on it. And Bitcoin, I'm telling y'all, keep buying Bitcoin dip. Those who can afford it, buy the Coinbase dip while it's still low. It's still hovering around 240-ish, 239. Get it. I'm telling you, because it's going to pay off in the future, probably the near future. After all this inflation stuff over, what Biden I'm trying to do, I don't know what they're trying to do, but whatever. They talking about a fourth stimulus check now. I mean, whatever works, man. Get it while you can. You know what I mean? But like I said, man, I'll see y'all on the next video. Oh, by the way, hit the webull link. And I forgot to tell y'all also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell button and hit the webull link. You can get up to 2 weeks when you hit my webull link or Wealth Giant. You get 2 stocks up to $1,800, valued up to $1,800. So make sure you open up the webull platform with my link. I'm Enoch the Wealth Giant, and I'll see y'all at the top.